Tesla, Block, and Blockstream team up to mine Bitcoin off solar power in Texas. Whoa. This is the Dorsey Elon partnership
initiative
continuing.
Yeah.
He's like, let me tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the 3 billies over there in Twitter, and I'm gonna help you out with the Bitcoin because you love the Bitcoin, big Bitcoin. He's like, Bitcoin's your thing, Twitter's my thing. Let's sort it out. Blockstream and Jack Dorsey's Block, formerly Square, are breaking ground on a solar and battery-powered Bitcoin mine in Texas using solar and storage technology from Tesla. Bingo. Shout out Rohan G. Tesla's 3.8 megawatt solar PV array and 12 megawatt hour mega pack. It's a lot of megas. Mega this, mega that. Is mega ever bad when it goes to mega?
There's 3 megas in this sentence.
Yes, megawatt solar PV array, 12 megawatt hour mega pack. For your, turn you into Mega Man. You even know about Mega Man, Will?
Of course.
Really?
Yeah.
Game Boy or what?
Game Boy, yeah.
Nintendo, Game Boy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Very hard.
All the games used to be hard, man. Come on. That's why you couldn't get as addicted to it. Be like, screw off. Just put it down for a break. Okay. Blockstream co-founder and CEO Adam Back, a British cryptographer and a member of the cypherpunk crew, told CNBC on the sidelines of the Bitcoin 2022 conference in Miami that the mining facility is designed to be a proof of concept for 100% renewable energy Bitcoin mining at scale. People like to debate about the different factors to do with Bitcoin mining. We figured, let's just prove it. Have an open dashboard so people can play along. Maybe it can inform other players to participate. That's him being snarky because he's like, why don't we just build it? What do I need? A couple billions? What, I got to call up Elon, Dorsey, whoever, and gets it done. And then he builds the prototype, and then he says, look, you want to talk about the environment and so forth? Our operation is working, so anybody can do it. If you doubted Bitcoin, stop doubting Bitcoin. We've got a bunch of Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up. They benefit. Mm-hmm. You imagine how this goes. Proof of concept. Shout out TN.
And no guilt. Solar power. Know what I'm saying?
You believe it's no guilt? Is there anything with really
There's
no
gotta be
guilt?
some
There's
guilt.
a little guilt.
Yeah.
You got to be screwing
but
something.
But it's less than the...
You know what it is? You put the solar panel in the desert, the little lizard, all of a sudden, he's getting fried. Nobody cares about the lizard. You got all these, you got the Tesla bots, you got Optimus going around picking up the dead lizards.
Yeah.
I don't think the solar panels are killing the lizards. I'm just saying there's always residual. There's always collateral of some kind.
Hopefully less so.
Less so.
Yeah. It's all gray area.
Willie do.
You know?
Willie do knows about the gray area. That's where he likes to, he resides in
the gray zone.
He resides in the gray zone.
Yeah. Well, good luck with this project.
Good luck to you all.